and today we're gonna be making some ice cream. Today I have with me my sister Londyn and my brother Vascel. And this is the easiest recipe that anyone can make. Let's get into it. First, Londyn's gonna be adding some sugar.
And then what am I gonna do?
Add some sugar in.
I love sugar.
Add the whole thing, Londyn. But make sure it doesn't get stuck in the thing. Because, you know, we're going to blend it up later to make some ice cream.
Why can't I just get some sugar?
That's good. Okay, take one. Now, next, my brother Vascel is going to be adding some...
All right, Vascel, your turn. Let's add the vanilla.
Vanilla? The gasoline. Yeah.
Not vanilla. The gasoline.
And Zayden, what are you adding?
I'm going to be adding some milk. This is special kind
Whipping
of
cream.
Whipping cream. I'm going to be adding some milk. Let's add it in here. Oh my, that's a lot. This is a lot of milk. Oh my.
Alright, so Zayden, now take the regular milk and pour 2 cups in there. So you should know this because this is what we're doing in school.
Milk. I love milk. I put it in my cereal. Yum, yummy in my tongue. Yummy in my tummy. You have to put it all the way to here.
Alright, good job. And how much cups is that?
It's 2 cups exactly.
Zayden, don't.
No, a little bit over, just right in the middle.
Okay, come on, do this.
Why is this so much? Look at this. This doesn't look like. This looks like an ice cap messed up.
Alright, let's put the lid on it.
I'm gonna put the lid.
And can I blend it?
No, can I blend it?
Okay, wait.
Match it up. Now turn this
Twist
on.
it till you hear it lock.
Okay.
No.
Now put power. Now, is it blend or crush?
Blend.
Oh, we're gonna hit blend.
Mixing, we're going to get our
Ice cream mixer. Ice cream mixer maker, same thing. I need to put this thing where's it already? Like for mixing, it comes with that. We haven't used, we put this in the freezer for 2 whole days. And we still haven't used it. So
now we're using it.
it's so cold. It's frozen salt. Look in the inside.
Frozen.
Wait, is it the wrong one?
Match it up with the shape. Perfect.
And
now
then-
put the mixer in. Other way. Careful. No, in the bowl.
Oh, this?
Yeah, other way. And put that on top.
Now we're
Gonna
gonna
lock
put
it.
Here. Come on, man. Oh, that looks so satisfying. No.
Alright, so you poured it in.
Yeah.
How does it look?
Good.
It looks slimy,
Yeah, it looks like we're making slime.
but delicious. We're gonna leave this for 20 minutes and come back. Right?
See you guys.
See ya,
See
guys,
ya.
in 20 minutes. It's gonna be instant for you guys because, you know, crop editing. Okay? Editor, now.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes. Now we're gonna pour all of this into our container. container. Pour our ice cream into the container.
It looks like strawberry.
And see how it turns out.
Yep. Now we have
I don't know how much I can pour.
All right, put the container on. Other way? Is it the right way?
Now we're gonna put this in the freezer so it can get hard and turn to ice cream.
Yeah. Put it in the freezer.
Now it's done, it's time to taste test it. So it tastes.
Yummy.
It's so liquidy.
Tastes good.
Taste.
So, how do you guys rate your vanilla ice cream?
5.
A 5?
Over a 4.
What are you guys gonna call it? Every company has a name for their product.
I think we're going to name it
Soggy.
Soggy.
It's so soggy.
No, we name it chocolate.
It's not even chocolate, it's vanilla.
Fine. We're going to name it vanilla.
All right.
Soggy.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Can we just finish this? Kevin, do you want some? Okay.